Welcome to the most exciting coin discovery of your life. Today, we're diving into the mysterious and ultra-rare bicentennial coins, an ordinary-looking coin with the power to make you a millionaire overnight. If you've got this hidden gem in your pocket, your entire future could change in an instant. Let's unlock the secrets behind this legendary piece of treasure first up. Imagine holding a single coin in your hand, just $1 in face value, but with the hidden power to change your entire life overnight. The 1902 Liberty Head $1 coin, etched with the iconic motto, "In God We Trust," is not just a piece of old currency. It's a key to unimaginable wealth, a historical treasure minted in a time of transition, ambition, and American pride. With the D mint mark, indicating Denver, this coin rises far above the realm of ordinary collectibles and steps boldly into the spotlight as a potential billionaire maker. This is no ordinary silver dollar. The 1902 Liberty coin is a testament to a bygone era when America was shaping its destiny. Every curve of Liberty's face, every serif of the engraving, whispers a story from over a century ago. Minted during a period when coins were crafted with both beauty and purpose, this specific issue, especially with the D mint mark, was produced in extremely low quantities, making it a prize for collectors and investors alike. What sets this coin apart is not just the year, but that rare elusive D marking. The Denver Mint was relatively new at the time, and only a very limited number of coins were struck there in 1902. This scarcity means that even a moderately well-preserved specimen can be worth a fortune. But if you are among the extremely rare, few to possess a high-grade or uncirculated piece, prepare to be stunned. The value can soar into the millions, and it's no exaggeration to say it could place you among the wealthiest collectors on Earth. There are coins. And then there are miracles of minting. The 1902 Liberty Head silver dollar with the D mint mark is considered by many numismatists a once-in-a-generation phenomenon. It's the type of find that turns ordinary people into legends in collecting circles. Auction houses have quietly whispered of private sales worth millions, while public records barely scratch the surface of its true value. This coin isn't just expensive, it's priceless in the right hands. Incredibly, many people who come across this coin don't realize what they have. It may be passed down through family, tucked in an old drawer, or mistaken for a common silver dollar. But the real treasure lies in the details, the sharpness of Liberty's profile, the clarity of the eagle on the reverse, and of course, the tiny but powerful D mark that signifies its Denver birth. This oversight is why so many fortunes are unknowingly lost. But you won't make that mistake now. If you're lucky enough to own this rare piece of American history, do not spend it like loose change. This is not just currency, it's a golden goose in silver's disguise. Consult with a top-tier numismatist, get it professionally graded, and guard it like a crown jewel. This coin could be your ticket to generational wealth, a true once-in-a-lifetime blessing that deserves honor, not haste. Today's collectors are more competitive and knowledgeable than ever. High-profile auctions and private collectors are willing to pay extraordinary amounts for well-preserved Liberty coins from 1902, especially those bearing the Denver mint mark. With the right authentication and grade, this coin doesn't just fetch thousands, it commands headlines, attention, and offers that will leave your head spinning. The coin market, like the art world, thrives on rarity, beauty, and story, and this coin has all three in abundance. So, if you are holding on to this magnificent relic, understand what you truly possess. It's not merely a collector's item, it's a gateway to historical glory and financial transformation. Treat it with the reverence it deserves, because in your palm lies the potential to move from ordinary to extraordinary, from modest to millionaire. The 1902 Liberty Head silver dollar with a D mint mark is not just a coin, it's destiny frozen. Second, imagine holding in your hand a single US dollar coin, dated 1906, shimmering with history, etched with the words, "In God We Trust." At first glance, it looks like just another old piece of silver. But take a closer look, and you may just realize you're holding a fortune beyond imagination. The 1906 Liberty Head $1 coin bearing the D mint mark isn't merely a coin. It's a silent giant that could be worth millions. A treasure that has the potential to rewrite your future in one bold stroke. This isn't just about silver or shine. This is about legacy, power, and unmatched rarity. The Lady Liberty design on the 1906 dollar represents more than freedom. It symbolizes value born from a limited creation. These coins were not mass-produced like today's currency. With the rare Denver D mint mark, this specific coin becomes an artifact that serious collectors dream about and fight over behind closed doors. It is a prize that only a handful of people will ever truly possess. The real game changer is that tiny D mint mark, stamped by the Denver Mint in a time when its coinage was scarce and experimental. That single letter transforms this coin from antique to astonishing. While many Liberty coins exist, very few with the 1906 D combination survive in collectible condition, making it a jackpot piece. If yours is well preserved, or better yet, uncirculated, then congratulations. You might be sitting on a multi-million-dollar asset hiding in plain sight. There are rare coins, and then there are legendary coins. And the 1906 Liberty head with the Denver stamp belongs in the second category. It's not just worth thousands, it's capable of reaching into the millions when found in pristine condition. Some stories whisper of private collectors offering luxury cars and real estate in exchange for high-grade pieces. This coin doesn't just represent value. It ignites a frenzy among elite collectors who understand its worth. Too often, these rare treasures are lost, spent, or sold at a fraction of their real worth because people don't know what they hold. Imagine someone handing it over at a pawn shop or spending it as a regular dollar. What a heartbreaking mistake. But you, now armed with this knowledge, will not let that happen. If you see the 1906 date, Liberty's proud face, and the D mark, freeze time, that's not a coin, that's a piece of American magic. And it could very well be your path to generational wealth. If you possess this coin, don't treat it like change, treat it like a crown jewel. Immediately, have it authenticated and graded by a top-tier numismatist. Protect it, insure it, frame it if you must, because in the right circles, this isn't a coin. It's a golden opportunity disguised in silver. Its story, its beauty, its scarcity. They all come together to make it one of the most desirable collectibles in American monetary history. Coin. Auctions have seen mind-blowing figures tossed around for coins of lesser rarity than this. With the right condition and certificate of authenticity, a 1906 D Liberty head dollar is a collector's holy grail. Don't underestimate the obsession of rare coin investors. They will travel continents, pay 6 to 7 figures in cash, and even enter bidding wars for a chance to own what you might be holding right now. Yes, it's that serious. And yes, it's that valuable. This coin may be small, but its impact can be monumental. It has the power to clear debt, build empires, or fund dreams for generations. If you're lucky enough to own one, don't just store it, celebrate it. Because in your possession lies not just a dollar, but destiny. The 1906 Liberty $1 coin with the D mint mark is more than collectible. It's a once-in-a-lifetime key to fortune. And it's ready to unlock your future.